Next up, the Tundra Monolith Danger Zone. This one is marked over here in the Onyx Tundra province, all the way in the southwest side, but actually in order to complete this, you'll need to head all the way up to the Tundra Monolith up here, and it'll be working around in this general area here. So you'll need to travel, usually all the way down this way, all the way back up to the top here, head into this, and you'll be looping around quite a bit to get to the very top over here where you can activate the monolithic teleportation tower. It's super annoying to get up here, but once you've activated the tower, we can head down and do everything we need to do. So, first of all, inside of the actual monolith itself, you'll find a gear crate, as we usually do inside of these things. So, we'll head around from the teleporter towards the main entrance on the northeast side of this big monolith, and inside of here, to the right, as you usually would, inside of the first door, you'll find yourself a gear container just sitting right here. Inside of it, I get these items. Then, we'll head out from here, and we'll head towards this little triangle in the road down here. So find your way to the southwest side of this, back outside, where the teleporter is, around the side of this, down here, and we'll make our way down. Of course, you can choose not to come up here. This was probably the easiest thing to do, and you now have a teleportation point. So all the way down here, you'll need to manage your fall and your stamina, so just fall most of the way down and use your parachute at the last moment, and you'll see over here the mystical crate, super easy to spot even if you're at the bottom. Probably one of the least difficult ones to spot in the entire area. We'll clear out the guards surrounding this, which are just 2 snipers, a couple of drones, and one more over here. There we go. And we can head just over here onto this, where we can grab the mystical crate. I'm pretty sure you'll need to parachute from this over here, as I don't think you can climb up onto this. And of course, there's more enemies in the surrounding area. Right opposite us in this Rosetta building, you'll find one more item of interest. So we'll clear out the guards around this and make our way towards it. You'll find a Rosetta Heavy guarding what's inside. So we'll get rid of them from afar. And eventually, we should be able to get into the building that they were guarding. So down here, we'll head into this building, and inside of here, we'll head upstairs, and just around the back, upstairs, you'll find this here, the weapon crate. Now we've got an extra crate ticked off. There's one more thing to do, and that's to head further west to this area over here, just by the bridge, where we'll find the last gear crate that we need to complete this area. So heading northwest, down here, you'll see this little Rosetta building overwatching the bridge, and right behind it, this area here with a container on it. So we can climb up here and we can get ourselves this gear crate for free, ticking off the area, but we can also head across towards the bridge, up and onto it, and inside we find yet another weapon container. Of course, it's telling us not to go any further, but that's fine. We're not going to go any further. We'll grab this and get back from here. That's it. We've now finished this area, and I hope you found this video useful. So thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.